You all may have heard the joke that which are the longest toilets in the world? The Indian railway tracks. And according to a survey by IIM Ahmedabad, from 9,116 trains, nearly 3 lakh liters, that is 60,000 gallons of human waste is just disposed of onto the tracks. So we should do something about it. The main aim of our project is basically to clean the tracks and to make optimum use of the waste generated.
So for the solid waste, we have attached containers at the bottom of each and every toilet. So whenever a person uses the washroom, the waste generated gets collected into the containers. Then at junctions or at stations where you can build compost pits, the waste from the container gets redirected to the compost pits through flexible pipes. The waste then goes to the biogas plant where it is decomposed. The decomposed material can be used as manure to generate electricity at the railway stations and also used as cooking gas. Now you might be wondering, what about the dry waste that is generally thrown on the tracks? So for that, we have modified an old engine into a vacuum cleaning engine. The engine works on diesel, but the vacuum suction pump works with the help of solar power. The sucked material goes in through this pipe into the container and then into the gunny bags placed below the container from which it is taken to places where it can be recycled.
Hence we conclude that we can have clean, green and self-sufficient Indian railways.
So let others say make hay while the sun shines, but we say make hay while you attend the call of nature.
So what was your motivation behind it?
We travel through trains and we see that there is a lot of dirt on the trains. Whenever you go to the washroom, whatever
It stinks a lot.
It goes directly on the tracks, and so it dirties
basically
the
puts
tracks.
a wrong impression in front of others, and so for that we have thought that we should do something about it, and we have come up with this idea.
Okay, so as you see, like normal train, this would be for reservation trains, correct?
Yes.
So normal trains stays on particular platform for some 2 minutes, hardly.
No, this is only for the junctions where the train stops for more time.
Okay.
That is 15 to 20 minutes.
Now, if you are going from, say, Bandra to Punjab, Gujarat, Karnataka, like there are no junctions, like proper junctions. The train
But-
normally halts for 2 minutes. There are junctions.
Not at every station.
Like not every station.
Okay,
but
for
still
example, Surat has 10 minutes ka
10
halt.
minutes halt.
Okay,
Now,
so
the
if you are
distance-
saying that you'll have a container below it, don't you think it's gonna stink much more?
See,
Sir,
you can
there's
have holes over there at the top of the container, very small holes, just for the circulation of air, and you can put some
Chemicals which can be
the order is controlled. And we can, if the tank, the container is filled up, then we can replace them at normal stations also, so at least they don't fill up and overflow.
See, I know that there is space between these two junctions where this is available. So I'll keep a station where provisions are made that this could be replaced if it gets filled up.
Like if you're driving from a normal express train, like each compartment has 72 passengers carrying it.
Yeah.
Like everyone, even if everyone uses it from one station to another station, it is bound to overflow. Like,
No, but everyone doesn't go at the same time. And if
I'm not talking about at the same time.
But its capacity
distance.
will be more, right? It won't be that just one or two person uses the washroom and it will get filled.
That's okay. Okay, but the distance I'm talking about, like
It can
you
walk
said
up to
junction.
1 to 2 hours.
Okay. And what did you tell about this electricity? Can you repeat?
The biogas from the biogas plant, the methane has to undergo certain processes and then electricity can be produced. So that electricity can be used to light up the railway stations.
But that is a costly process.
Okay.
yeah, but
If
That-
not that,
that-
only for manure.
manure and methane gas.
India is an agrarian country and it will profit a lot if it is converted to manure.
Okay. So what do you think, like how much biogas will be generated through a particular amount of waste?
See, it is
For an example, just give me an example of it.
it varies generally from the quality of waste.
Okay.
From 20 meter cube to say 800 meter cube per ton.
Okay.
The methane gas which is generated.